Hello collectors! Another Hotwheels Los Angeles convention exclusive car, a Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTR. Only 6,200 units made. This car has a carbon fiber hood top with rear spoiler. A beautiful design by Michael Heralda for a Matchbox 20th anniversary. This beautiful model, 1965 Land Rover Generation 2 Safari, dealer's model, in beautiful green color with white rooftop and silver color. Some of the auction lots that sold at a 2022 Matchbox collector gatherings, and some new 2023 models are here as a pre-production sample. So let's check a sneak peek of the upcoming cars. Hotwheels container box For 2022 Car Culture Jay Leno's Garage Mix. No chase car has been included in this container set. Alert to all Honda fans. An officially licensed Mugen Scale 64 containers now available for pre-order with authorized dealers. Car model has not included in this container set. A beautiful new castings from Tarmac Works. A Ferrari 488 GT3, Ferrari 488 GTE, Gunter Rex 993 green, old and new 997 black with container, old and new 997 white, a Mercedes-Benz AMG G63, Shimmy 150 special collaboration with Shimmy 150, Ford GT Liquid Red, a special collaboration with Shimmy 150 produced by Mini GT, Porsche Taycan Turbo S Midnight Green special collaboration with Shimmy 150 produced by Mini GT, Pagani Huayra BC in Grigio Mercurio. HKM Models presents a Singer 964 DLS model. Color of a car blue and gold. Limited up to 699 each color. Material made in die-cast. The release date of a car is September 2022. A new Matchbox playset is available at stores. Matchbox action drivers with police car inside. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video.